Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show a really simple way how we can change download location in Google Chrome. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Google Chrome and then just go right click on the three dots in top corner, and here you just want to simply click on settings and then go left top corner on advanced and click downloads, and right here you're gonna see downloads location and you just want to like change it, right? So you just change it to, I don't know, desktop, like right here, and click select folder. And now you can like also ask where to save each file before downloading. That's also what you can edit if you want to. And this is pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and yeah. Goodbye.